Alright, what's up? It's Now Newbie here with another video, and you guys probably knew that I did a video unboxing the Nelk Boys full send bottle opener slash shotgun tool, but there are different ways that you can use it, and I haven't really seen a good tutorial on like how to use this thing, so I figured that I would make a video about this. If you guys want to see me unboxing it, I can show you guys how to do that. But so there are three different things that you can do. Now there's one way that you can use it to open up bottles, and there are two ways you can use it to open up cans. I want to show you guys both of those. So if you want to open up a bottle, just go like this, and it comes off like that. Really easy. That was close. Now, now, you can also use this tool to open up cans. So there are two different ways you can use this. There's one way where if you want to pop it out through the side, you use this part of the tool, and there's a tab opener that you can use to pull the tab of your can and go like that. So hold on, let me try this. Now, this is something I've never tried before, but so there you have, I suppose, that method of using this thing. And then, of course, if you want to just pull up the tab, then you would go like this. Hold on, let me see here. You get it snug in there. Well, I guess, I don't know. Maybe because there isn't anything in there anymore, it's not really working. But, yeah. Usually pulling it up is not like that hard, but if you have like long nails or something, then I can see why that would be kind of tricky. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much how you use this thing. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.